Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to export data from AR Tracker. This can be useful for those times you want to send the file maybe over to Excel and it's got information from Medisoft that you'd like to customize even further. We're going to show you going inside of the program how to do this. So to access AR Tracker, you can either go there from this little bullseye symbol or click on Activities and then select AR Tracker. Now you may want to filter this out even further. Maybe you want to put in an insurance carrier or even sort by patient, aging. This is a part of the program that we highly recommend that you use because it's going to show you like an interactive aging and its current data as well. So in this example, I'm in the tutorial database. I'm just going to leave all the filters blank and click apply. So once it finishes loading on any of these options that you click on insurance, patient, or claims, you can export data that's displayed here in this window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click inside of this section. You can do the same thing on these other areas. Just right click on the data and then select export grid data. And this is going to ask you where you want to save the file to. I had done a file earlier already, so I'm going to name this, give this a different name, new AR data. So whatever name you'd like to give it. And then you're going to click on save. Then from Excel, once you open up the Excel program, you're going to go to the location where you saved your file, select the file, and then on the bottom right corner where it says it might default to Excel files. If it does that, you'll see that the files are not there, but you have to change the file type to all files. And then you're going to select your file, click open. You'll probably get this message saying the file format, extension of new, or whatever is the file name don't match. That's okay. We're going to say yes to this window. And then from here, we're going to select the option delimited and then click next. And then put a check mark where it says comma. And what that will do is it's going to create these lines that are going to separate the different sections so that it looks cleaner. And then you can see your column headers easier. And then once you do that, just go ahead and click on finish. And your data will load with all the information on there. You see the different sections for your column headers. And then from here, you can customize it however way you'd like. You can pull data from here, move these columns over, or delete any information that you want removed. And that's how you export data from AR Tracker. If you have any questions or run into issues, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.